What's going on, guys? It's Fever Zombie Killer, and a few days ago, Apple launched a brand new HomePod, which I think if you go to my channel like 2 years ago, you might find it. But I unboxed a HomePod. Now we got the HomePod Mini, so this is how it arrived inside this brown box, so it won't get damaged. Now I'm gonna open this so we can actually see the actual product. Alright guys, I just took out the wrapper. Now let's see what's inside. If I can open this. Woo! Here's the Mini, the HomePod Mini. It looks adorable compared to the bigger brother, which is like more black. I mean, not black. There's two types of colors. This is space gray and white. The little one, I got the white, but the big one, I got the space gray, just so I can fit in my room because my room is all white. I was expecting it to be 2 times as big, but it came out way smaller than I expected. Now, this has a USB-C cable. So first, let's check out what comes inside. Now we get these paper stuff that they always send with everything. This paper, these paper stuff. And of course, the Apple sticker. Can't forget about that. Here is the charging brick, which is good. I only have one of these, so having 2, just in case if I don't use this, is pretty good. And yeah, that's what comes inside the box. Oh, and there it goes. That's the first sound you hear. And this is where you just put your iPhone right next to it, and you can start, like, your music would just automatically start playing. I think that's it. There's nothing else. Other than that, that's all that's to it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want me to do any more unboxing reviews or anything like that, please like, subscribe, and peace.